Foods to avoid for heart disease. The heart is a delicate organ. If it slowly breaks down, it won't give you a clue that it's not functioning at its best until you suffer a myocardial infarction. Take care of your cardiovascular health. Be familiar with the best foods for a healthy heart. 1. Sugar. Avoid diets that are heavy on sugar. Excessive amounts can cause diabetes, which in turn can cause heart disease. You should keep sugary snacks and foods to an absolute minimum. Avoid adding sugar to drinks and meals, and search for healthy sugar substitutes. 2. Saturated and trans fats. It's vital to limit fat intake, but particularly saturated and trans fats. These kinds of fat cause bad cholesterol in the body to rise and the arteries to become blocked, which leads to heart diseases. Specific foods to evade are palm oil, coconut oil, whole milk, red meat, poultry skin, fried food, margarine, as well as processed breads and snacks. 3. Foods with high sodium content. A lot of sodium raises blood pressure, which in turn adds more stress on the heart. Food that is high in sodium, particularly salt, sodium chloride, that's typically added to food unlike sodium inherent in foods, may cause blood pressure to elevate, increasing the risk for stroke or heart attack. 4. Animal byproducts. Most dairy products are high in fat and ought to be consumed minimally. Foods to avoid include whole milk, cheese, cream, and butter. With any type of diet decision, you should be realistic. Adding 1 tablespoon of green to your cup of coffee isn't a bad decision, but you should avoid a daily coffee drink that's half cream and half espresso. 5. Processed meats. Processed meats are those that are preserved using nitrites, salts, or other preservatives. Studies have found that the worst kinds of meats for your heart are processed meat. They comprise sausage, bacon, salami, hot dogs, and other deli meats, including turkey, deli ham, chicken and bologna. It is likely that the high levels of preservatives are part of the problem. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to get more info about heart disease.